How to install our 13" by 17" black oval cast aluminum insert. You'll need a measuring tape, pencil, scissors, jigsaw, tape, and safety glasses to complete this installation. To get started, locate the dotted line and use scissors to carefully cut out the center of the template. Next, use a tape measure to find the center of the gate or install location and mark it with a pencil. Decide if you're installing the insert vertically or horizontally. Determine your desired height along the center line and tape down the template. Using a pencil, trace the inside of your template. Next, locate the 4 holes marked on the template and use a 5/8" bit to drill all the way through. Complete all 4 holes and remove the template. Use a jigsaw along your pencil line to cut out the opening. Use the provided Allen key to separate the gate insert. Each insert comes with an Allen key and 2 sets of hardware to accommodate material 3/4 inch or up to 1¼ inch thick. Pass the insert through the hole and pull it tight against the opening. Attach the fastening frame using the Allen key and bolts provided. Remember not to over-tighten the bolts. Nice one! You've successfully installed your insert. Visit nuvoiron.com to learn more.